All right, guys, check this out. This is the new FOX Factory Jeep Wrangler 392 Commando. Fox built this thing with real off-road parts, clean styling, and full military vibe. Let's walk through what they did. This Jeep Wrangler 392 starts at $69,995. You still get the 6.4 V8 Hemi, and if you want more power, Fox will even add a Whipple supercharger, giving you 705 horsepower. And this Wrangler is going to ride on a JKS 3.5-inch suspension lift. It runs on Fox 3.0 Resi race shocks. These are high-end shocks designed for rough trails and high speed. And they also added the FOX ATS steering stabilizer to keep the 37 smooth and controlled. This build's sitting on 37-inch tires. It's running 37 12.5 17 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. They mounted them on the Mopar beadlock-capable wheel and painted them ivory white. This setup is giving the Jeep the perfect stance. Okay, up front, you're getting the Mopar factory steel bumper. Fox color matched the fog light bezels and the tow hooks, so they blend right into the body. They also added the Mopar hoop guard. They also added 5-inch Mopar LED lights. They mounted them right on top. And it also looks like this comes with a Warren winch. Fox used the Mopar steel high top fenders. These are the same style fenders that you saw in the Easter Jeep Safari concept Jeeps. On the hood, you're getting Commando that replaces the Rubicon lettering. On the lower fenders, you get the old school Jeep lettering. It gives it that vintage feel. On the side fender bench, you get the Commando 392 decal. The whole Jeep is finished in the new 41 color option. The Mopar tube doors, they're also painted to match, keeping the entire theme clean and consistent. Along the sides, Fox added the Mopar heavy-duty rock rails. These rails are tight to the body and take a real hit on the trails. Around the back, Fox used a Teraflex spare tire delete kit. You can see the Teraflex name molded right into the panel. The third brake light sits right on top of that delete bracket. Instead of hanging the spare tire on the tailgate, they mounted it right inside the Jeep. It's sitting on an interior mounted spare tire rack, giving the rear a cleaner look. The Commando is also running a bikini top for that open air driving feel. Inside, you're gonna get the tan leather seats with the word Commando embroidered on them. This makes it simple, rugged, and clean. There's a couple options you can upgrade on this. First, if you want more power from the 392, Fox offers a Whipple supercharger upgrade. It takes it from 470 horsepower up to 705. That option costs $11,495. The second option they offer is a Magnaflow exhaust with black tips. That upgrade costs $3,395. Now here's the interesting part. This build is only available for active military and veterans. You have to apply for your chance to buy one because there's only going to be 250 of these made. So that's the full rundown on the Fox Factory 392 Commando. A clean mix of Fox suspension, Mopar performance parts, and 37-inch tires with a strong military theme. It's built right and ready to go. Share your thoughts and comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about this build. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.